He's stressed out.
Hey.
Just wondering what we are going to do with him next.
Hey, the eyes.
Yeah.
They are moving around like he.
Okay, let's drop it off. The sun is not good.
Let me leave it here.
Oh, on the tree so he can.
And he will choose where to go from here.
Why is he making like that?
That's how they move.
Okay.
That's how they move.